Chargent's payment console is a virtual terminal that embeds right into your Salesforce org. It can be added to any Lightning page, giving your staff an easy way to take payments instantly and securely right inside your Salesforce environment. Here's how the payment console works. Looking here at an example of a customer's account, the Charge It Anywhere component is visible. With one click of the Payment Console button, you're able to enter card or bank details instantly. At the top of the form, you can set the customer's billing address to automatically populate, saving your team valuable time. If needed, the address can be updated right here, directly from the payment console. The card number is typed in here. When entered correctly, a green border appears around the card number field, indicating that the number entered is valid. Fill in the expiration date field. And if your payment gateway's configuration requires the CVC field, it can be entered here as well. Next, add the payment amount and click the Charge button. A success message will appear on the screen, meaning the payment was processed securely. While that's all it takes for your staff to complete a one-time payment, what you don't see behind the scenes is that instead of storing sensitive card details, Chargent stores only the secure payment token received from the gateway. This allows the payment method to be used safely, again for the customer's future transactions, making things faster and easier the next time they want to make a payment, while maintaining strict security and PCI compliance for your organization. That's the general overview of the Chargent Payment Console. Every team's payment workflow is a little different. Your available payment methods, gateway behavior, recurring rules, fields, and automation can all depend on your Salesforce setup and business process. If you want to see how this would work for your specific use case, book a technical discovery call with our team. We'll learn more about your workflow and walk you through a customized demo.